Into the forest the path does go, winding, turning over hill and trough. The secret whispered, echoing through the leaves. Softly she beckons, the call resounding in every seed. A pounding drum ringing in my ear. Up ahead into the meadow, the path becomes clear. The doe, with her great omniscient eyes, leads me on in long, elegant strides, winding along the clearest stream, the mist coating my vision like a dream, radiating a vibrant glow. There's more than meets the eye in the waters below. A touch of the water across my skin, giving light to all that lies within, shedding away the darkest parts, illuminating only the purest heart. In the way ahead a bridge appears, beneath the great willow, grown from the oracle's tears. Under her gaze the soul bears all. The secrets she whispers are those we seek most of all. The lady of the mist calls me to her, her voice ringing with each softly spoken word. Fire burns across sea and sand, darkness engulfing even the greatest land. As the final hour draws near, it is the fate of mankind that brings you here. If there is to be a way that light once more shines upon the day, man must see what he will not, something he once knew but has long forgot. A force that beats in every living thing, from rock to tree to great winged things. No matter how great or small, a heart and soul beats within us all. No one kind is greater than the other, but each equally a brother, sister, mother. As war pounds with its beck and call, only love